Good morning, happy Friday, and welcome to today's edition of Toggle's Daily Video Insights. My name is Jan, I'm the CEO and co-founder of Toggle. And if you like these insights, would like to see more of them, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or actually check us out on toggle.global, where you can test drive Toggle Copilot or subscribe to our daily brief to arrive in your mailbox every morning. The focus today is going to be on a company called XPO Logistics, a company many of you will know quite well. But the insight today is definitely one for technical analysis aficionados, because the focus is on a driver called the 3-day, 14-day KD Stochastic oscillator. I know that really rolls off the tongue quite easily, doesn't it? And the key point that Toggle has noticed is that when it has previously reached a high this level, over the 20 similar occasions it was able to analyze in the past, the pattern indicated a median rise of about 22 and almost 0.5% over the following 6 months. So a really, really good return over a period of time. As you can see here, the starting price is 123.33, and the median expected level is around 147. Whilst the red line here, as usual, is the point beyond which you would expect that the odds of this pattern holding to have diminished quite substantially. And so many traders typically put their stop losses somewhere around this level, but it coincides with the lower level of this confidence cone that we plot. The episodes, as you can see, have been really quite frequent, and they have spanned the business cycles going all the way back to the early 2000s, which is why this is a highly rated insight on our qualitative assessment of robustness. And finally, looking down at the distribution of returns, you can see that the risk reward is quite compelling, but there have been quite meaningful downsides as well. So this is not one of these situations where the downside is completely limited, and actually volatility, or the kind of barbell that you're seeing here in terms of the outcomes, probably lends itself quite well to an option position as opposed to just a straight out delta one stock holding. So much for XPO Logistics today. In the daily brief, we also discuss the performance of the S&P, typically around inauguration days, since we're 9 trading days away from one. And so the goal for today is really just to focus and understand a little bit what this kind of performance is and how it compares to the overall January effect that tends to be positive. If you have any interest, definitely check it out in the daily brief today. Otherwise, please come and check us out again next week. Thanks for your attention. Speak to you next week.